I'm a spirit here. Spirit nga. When Attorney Georgie informed me about the role una, and then I accepted it because of Direk Chito also. We've been the last time I've worked with Direk was patay sa Sinda, si Barbara. So matagal na yon. And then after that, sabi ko excited ako kasi 1995 patay sa Sinda, and now 2025 na nung nagkasama kami ulit. So that alone, yung with Judy Ann, Janice, and all the cast, and then I've worked with Attorney Georgie sa Walang Forever, so okay naman lahat. The script, just the synopsis, okay na, wala nang problema. With the spirit role, ang bilis bang nakuha? Right away ba? Hindi naman masyado, di ba? Okay, thank you. Well, it's my first time to play a ghost talaga. It was so hard to parang bigyan ng emotion kasi nga parang wala, ang nakakarinig lang sa akin and ang nakakakita was Judy Ann. So it's really hard for me to be parang playing the role that yung other people hindi naman nakakarinig sa akin. Diba? So I was just working with what Judy Ann is giving me. So reaction ko and yung action ko is basing on her because the other cast cannot see me really. So sa kanya talaga ako humuhugot. If there's anybody in the scene na kailangan ko ng na matouch yung aking emotions, it's from Judy Ann talaga.
And Jenny,